After just one day of deliberations, a jury finding the defendants guilty on all counts, including first-degree murder, and they could spend the rest of their lives in prison for it.
Eyewitness News reporter Stefan Kim just got reaction from Junior's family, but we begin with Eyewitness News reporter Tim Fleischer, who was in the courtroom when that verdict was read. Tim.
And I can tell you, David, the tension inside that courtroom for at least a couple of hours was electric. And the security is something that I've not seen before in a long time. At one point, I counted no less than 32 officers. But there was one thing very noticeable, and that was a very composed jury. But nevertheless, they sat there and they counted down the different charges that they faced. They had gone through roughly 25 charges, 5 for each of the defendants. They had 2 murder charges, and finding those guilty, they then had to get rid of the manslaughter charge. But then there were 2 other charges they had to consider. They spent about 4 hours yesterday, and again, maybe a total of 5 hours today before they were able to come to their decision. They seemed to be okay with it, and that this is what prosecutors had to say.
Junior came to symbolize all of the young people who have lost their lives to brutal gang violence. Today's verdict fortifies the Bronx community's stand against violence. Bronx residents came together nearly a year ago to aid in the apprehension of the defendants and to have supported the family of Junior.
The 5 defendants now face life in prison. They will be sentenced on July the 16th. There are another 9 defendants who have yet to stand trial. They more than likely will stand trial in September. Reporting live in Melrose, Tim Fleischer, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.
Thank you, Tim. Now to Eyewitness News reporter Stefan Kim, who spoke with Junior Guzman's mother and has reaction to the verdict. Stefan?
Well, Sade, from day one of this trial, dozens of supporters have been showing up to this courtroom every day for 6 weeks. They're now gathered outside the criminal courthouse singing and celebrating the guilty verdict. Now, Junior's mother and older brother, understandably, expectedly, are overjoyed by this verdict. They told us they're not surprised by the outcome. In their hearts, they say they knew this would be the outcome, but of course now today, a sense of relief. Meanwhile, supporters erupted in celebration outside this courtroom. Again, dozens of them every day for 6 weeks straight have been showing up. The prosecution had overwhelming video evidence. They played that video, surveillance video, NYPD cameras, social media video over and over for this courtroom, for the jury. The defense had a basic argument. They forced the prosecution to prove their defendants were indeed the gang members seen in those videos. 4 of those 5 defendants, their attorneys basically argue that their clients did not murder Junior. Instead, they only intended to maim and injure him. That argument obviously did not work with the jury as they came back with guilty on all 5 counts. Again, this was an emotionally charged trial from the beginning, with Junior's mother and father becoming overwhelmed throughout the trial, watching their son slaughtered over and over. Let's take a listen to what his mother and older brother had to say to us.
I want to say thank you for everyone, and I want to say thank you, Jesus, thank you, God. We have to continue believing God. I wasn't going to have my son back, but those killers, those murderers, they weren't going to be outside killing another kid. We have to stop the violence, and we need to have to save city.
I am very excited. I know you can see it in my face, right? Justice were served, and we want life without parole. As a family, life without parole to those five rats.
Back here live, you can hear them again singing in celebration over these guilty verdicts. Again, they want now life without parole. As you heard Tim Fleischer say, sentencing is next month. There are 9 other defendants now waiting trial.